Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you in Photoshop how to use the rectangular tool and elliptical tool. So in this tape you can see this four tool that I'm going to show you today about the rectangular tool, ellipse tool and other tool. Just simple. So you just click on that rectangular tool and then you drag on the Photoshop, and then you can drag it anywhere whatever you want, but you need to click you need to click the rectangular tool, and then you need to drag it on the picture that you see there. So here the picture is to make the picture not cutting it, like a blur. You can see like this, okay? And then when you drag it, you can see the blur. This we call a feature when you put the feature. So let me try to put to change some feature to 10, and let's see. Yes, now you can see it's a blur. Depend on your feature, how much you want to put it. And here you can also right click. When you click, and then you can use the copy or cut. So copy, it will be create under layer, and then you can drag it. You can see this we call a copy. If you cut, it means that you cut it from that picture. You cut it out from that full picture. For example, I wrong select. We need to select the background, and then I take cut, and then you can see the cut is different from the copy. So right now I will create a new board. Yes, this is my new board, Untitled 2. So I try to select here. I select on this bird, and then I try to put the feature, let's say 5, and then you can drag it. Oh, sorry, wrong. And to select background first, and then we can move, and then you can release it here. So now you have a layer. Okay, right now I want to show you the elliptical tool. It is round, but oh yes, I forgot to tell you the rectangular tool also. When you click on shift key on your window, it will be square. It is square. If you not click shift on the keyboard, it is not square. If you want square, just click shift and then drag. And then you can drag it. For example, here I shift drag. You can see it is square. And then I want to move here. Yes. Let's see the elliptical tool. Try to take it. Okay, when you click shift, and then it will be round. If you not click shift, whatever you want, what shape you want, you can drag it, depend on you. But if you click shift, it will be round. So right now I want to make the color. Let me select the color. Oh yes, here pen packet, and then I click, and then now I click on the background. Okay, so now I try to create other layer. Yes, and then I change the color. And then I go to the pen again, or you can use G on the keyboard. It is the shortcut. It is G. Now you can see I click because I put it on the layer 3, you can see here, and then I can move to other adverb. And now I try to create one more layer. Let's say I can rename here, let's say yellow. So yellow, yes, and then I try to change to yellow color, and then you can click on G shortcut on the keyboard, or you can click there, go to the pen bracket tool, click, and then you can see the layer yellow. Yes, can drag and move. Yeah, so this is a very easy tool for the rectangular tool, elliptical tool. Right now is single row. This is very simple. Just select and click there, and then you can like create a new layer. Let's say I say rename line, just one line, single row. Yes, if you zoom it in, zoom out, and then I can put the color there, fill the color again, G on the keyboard, or go to the pen bracket. Yes, if you click there, will be create one more. Yes, but you can click on it to deselect it. Yes, you can see right now it's a one line created. One more is single column. Let's say I put in the same layer. I just click. You don't need to drag. Just click, and then we create a long line until to finish your artwork. And then I just click there. We come with one layer together. Okay, so very easy, guys. So you can zoom in, zoom out to check. So this is kind of the rectangular tool and elliptical tool, and here you can close the eye to see. When you close, you will hide it. So thank you very much, guys, for visit my video, and hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe to continue to watch more.